Welcome to Talk with Spake.
Simple, clear English conversations.
Slow speed, easy words.
So you can learn comfortably.
Today's topic, pets.
Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Lily.
Hi, Ethan.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love pets.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Nice. What's her name?
Her name is Luna.
Cute name.
Thank you.
Is Luna friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Does she play?
Yes, she plays a lot.
That's adorable.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Oh, nice.
His name is Max.
I like that name.
Thank you.
What kind of dog?
Golden Retriever.
Beautiful dogs.
Yes, very kind.
Do you walk, Max?
Yes, every morning.
Good routine.
He loves walks.
Luna loves naps.
Cute.
Pets make us happy.
Yes, they feel like family.
True.
When I'm sad, Max comforts me.
Luna does that too.
Pets understand our feelings.
Yes, they really do.
Life feels better with pets.
More love, less stress.
Exactly.
When did you get Luna?
Good question.
I brought her home last year.
She was tiny,
Yes, very tiny.
like a small baby.
Exactly.
How did you feel?
Happy and a little scared
Scared? Why?
because I wanted to care for her properly.
Yes, I understand.
But slowly, I learned.
That's beautiful.
What about Max?
I got him 2 years ago.
So sweet.
He was shy but loving.
Gentle souls.
Yes,
What does Max like to eat?
dog food and small treats.
Luna loves treats too.
Pets and treats.
Yes.
Does Luna like toys?
Yes, many toys.
Which one is her favorite?
A soft mouse and a tiny ball.
Max loves a ball so much.
Dogs and balls.
Perfect team.
Yes.
Do pets reduce stress?
Yes, completely.
One hug changes everything.
One wagging tail makes me smile.
One soft purr calms my heart.
Pets are magic.
Yes, living magic. Do you talk to Luna?
Yes, every day.
I talk to Max like a friend.
Same here.
They listen with their hearts.
Beautiful thought.
Thank you.
Do you miss Max when you travel?
Yes, a lot.
I miss Luna too.
Home feels empty.
Very empty.
Their little paws make a home.
Yes, their presence is love.
Do you take Luna to the vet?
Yes, for checkups.
Same. With Max.
Health matters.
Very much.
Sometimes I just sit and watch Luna.
I do that with Max, too.
It feels peaceful.
Yes, very calm.
Pets teach love and care
And patience.
and kindness.
Yes,
I hope everyone loves their pets.
yes. Love them. Feed them. Protect them.
That's important.
Very important.
Ethan,
Yes, Lily?
do you ever teach Max tricks?
Yes, small tricks.
Like what?
Sit. Shake paw. Come here.
Nice.
What about Luna?
She follows my voice.
That's sweet.
Yes.
Sometimes Max waits near the door.
For you?
Yes, every evening.
That's pure love.
It melts my heart.
Luna waits near the window.
So adorable.
Yes,
Pets never judge.
they just love.
Quiet, true love.
Yes, exactly.
I think life is better with pets.
Yes, much better.
They teach us to be gentle,
To be kind,
to be patient.
to be thankful.
Yes,
This topic feels peaceful,
very peaceful.
soft, calm, and warm.
Just like pets.
Yes.
Lily,
Yes, Ethan.
where does Luna sleep at night?
Sometimes on my bed, sometimes near the window.
Nice places.
Yes, she loves quiet and soft lights.
Max likes to sleep near my feet.
He wants to protect you.
Yes, I feel safe.
Pets give a safe feeling.
Very true.
Do you ever take Max to the park?
Yes, very often.
Does he run a lot?
Yes, he runs freely and looks happy.
I can imagine.
What about Luna?
She loves sitting near plants.
Soft nature.
Yes,
Do loud noises scare Luna?
yes, sometimes.
Max too, especially thunder.
He must feel afraid.
Yes, I sit with him.
That's sweet.
Pets trust us.
And we trust them.
Beautiful bond.
Yes,
Do you brush Luna's fur?
yes, every day.
Max loves brushing.
Maybe it feels like massage.
Huh, yes.
Do you give Max a bath often?
Yes, but he hides.
Luna, too.
Same story.
Pet parents understand each other.
Yes, we do.
Do you buy toys for Max?
Yes, many toys.
Do they survive?
Not for long.
Typical dog.
Yes.
Pets make simple days beautiful.
Yes, they fill life with soft joy.
Even a small moment feels special.
Like a tiny paw on your hand.
Or a soft purr near your ear.
Or a wagging tail at the door.
These moments stay in the heart.
Forever.
Yes, forever.
Do you ever take photos of Luna?
Yes, many photos.
Same. I have many pictures of Max.
Memories are precious.
Very precious.
Sometimes I look at old photos and smile.
Me too.
Because pets are like family.
Yes, family with fur.
Exactly.
Luna,
Yes, Ethan.
what do you feel when Luna looks into your eyes?
I feel calm and loved.
I feel the same with Max.
That's the magic of pets.
Pure, silent love.
Yes.
Lily,
Yes, Ethan.
do you think pets feel lonely?
Yes, sometimes.
That's why we should spend time with them.
Yes, time is love.
Max loves even small moments,
Luna, too.
like when I just sit beside him.
Or when I touch Luna gently
They feel safe.
and we feel calm.
Do you ever listen to music with Luna?
Yes, soft music.
Max likes calm songs.
Maybe pets love peace.
Yes, just like us.
Do you travel with Max?
Sometimes, yes.
Does he enjoy it?
Yes, he loves car rides.
Cute.
He sits and looks outside.
Like a happy child.
Yes,
I wish Luna could travel too.
maybe short trips.
Yes, slowly.
Do you ever buy clothes for Luna?
Sometimes tiny clothes.
Max has a red jacket.
That must look so cute.
Yes, very cute.
Pets bring small joys,
Every single day,
even when we are busy.
they just sit quietly with us.
Silence, but full of love.
Yes,
Do you think pets understand our mood?
yes, very much.
When I'm sad, Luna sits closer.
Max, too.
They feel our heart.
Yes.
Do you let Max on the sofa?
Yes, he sits beside me.
Luna sleeps on the sofa.
King and queen.
Yes,
Sometimes I watch Max sleep.
I do that with Luna too.
Their tiny breaths sound peaceful.
Very peaceful.
It feels like a calm moment.
A soft gift from life.
Yes,
Yes. Do you think children learn from pets?
yes, they learn kindness
And care?
and love.
Yes.
Pets make hearts soft.
And homes happy.
True.
I'm thankful for Luna
And I'm thankful for Max.
and for this beautiful topic.
Yes, a calm conversation.
Soft, simple, and real.
Just like pets.
Yes.
Thank you for staying with us.
We hope you enjoyed this soft conversation.
Pets teach love and kindness.
And we learn together here with you.
If you love simple English,
And calm daily topics
then stay connected with us.
here on Talk with Spake.
Practice every day.
Speak slowly and confidently
We are here to help you.
with friendly, real English.
Okay, friends.
See you soon.
In the next conversation.
Take care and keep smiling.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.